Can you fix your face? Ew!
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's new. Oh, okay.
I
I'm Peppa Pig.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Is it perfect? That's almost perfect.
What are you doing there, sir? Hi. Hello.
Hey, look at all these wieners. Hi, wieners!
Only difference between life and death. Can I pet that dog? Nope.
excuse me, sir.
High five. Too slow!
Boop, boop. What?
Alright, Sam, do your worst.
Okay, Pete, come
Wrigley.
here. Wrigley.
The